time to start dismantling. Let's go for the easy things first, shall we? The seats. There we are. Let's go for the back seats first, shall we? Oh, look, lots of cobwebs. Can you see those there? Okay. Right. Let's see if I can do this with one hand and a camera. Looks like it. There we are. The seats, I think, are okay for now to use. Let's get this out of here. There we are. Gotcha. Let's have a look at this. Not bad. I think I can make do with that with a little bit of a clean up. Battery, that's going to be disconnected any second now. They're going to have to come off. So, next is back seat that yes, it is connected, that side isn't, so we'll try and do that next. Then I've got somewhere to put them. Okay, so back seat is now completely out, battery is disconnected. So we're done there. Okay, next up, these two.